Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will describe about the full wave rectifier using op-amp circuit and we will compare with the full wave bridge rectifier. This is the first video of the full wave rectifier op-amp series and we will describe into some more videos about full wave rectifier using op-amp. There are different kind of circuits, but today we will discuss about this circuit. Let's run the circuit. The Vout is 2 volt peak to peak, and here also the input is 2 volt. But for the full wave bridge rectifier, it is 0.7, which is quite less. It is because the cutoff voltage across the two diode. Now we will discuss if we convert this circuit into some kind of DC voltage. What will be that? Vout is around 1.46 volt and Vout dash, that means that for full wave bridge rectifier it is about 700 millivolt or 0.7 volt. And I want to interested about the what is the loading effect here. Therefore we will connect these two. And run this circuit. For the full wave bridge rectifier, it has been decreased by 5 millivolt. It is now result is about 0.655 millivolt. But it was previously 700 millivolt, which has been it is reduced by 45 millivolt. But for the op-amp case, it is quite same, 1.458 volt, means approximately 1.46 volt, which is quite similar. Now I am interested about some kind of the what is the effect if we change the frequency. And I want the green one is about 1 kilohertz, the blue one is 10 kilohertz, red one is 100 kilohertz, and it is quite visible that it is approximately Now the blue one is increasing, and it's quite noticeable that for the full wave bridge rectifier using op amp, with op amp, the voltage at first, the DC voltage at first decreases, after which the DC voltage also decreased, and also the noise level also has been increased. And for the Vout dash, or for the Vout dash, it is noise level has been decreased, or the minimum noise is at the 1 megahertz. The pink one is the 1 megahertz. From here, we conclude that at higher frequency, the noise level also has been decreased for the full wave bridge rectifier. Thank you.